Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. We're taking a look at Workana, a popular freelancing platform connecting businesses with remote workers. Workana provides a space for a wide range of professionals, from writers and designers to developers and marketers, to find project-based work or long-term engagements. The site facilitates the entire process, from posting job listings and submitting proposals to managing contracts and processing payments. Think of it as a centralized hub where clients can outline their project needs and freelancers can showcase their skills and experience. One key feature is its robust search functionality, allowing users to filter projects by category, skills, budget, and location, making it easier to find the perfect match. On the client side, Workana offers tools to track project progress and communicate directly with freelancers. For freelancers, it offers a secure platform to build a reputation, manage their workload, and receive payments safely. While Workana primarily serves the Latin American market, it's increasingly attracting users from other regions, expanding its global reach. This platform may be particularly beneficial for businesses seeking skilled professionals at competitive rates and for freelancers looking to diversify their client base. If you're exploring freelance opportunities or looking to outsource tasks, Workana is certainly worth considering. Their platform offers a structured approach to finding and managing remote talent. As with any freelancing platform, it's crucial to thoroughly vet potential clients or freelancers and communicate clearly to ensure a successful working relationship. Don't hesitate to explore the platform and see if it aligns with your specific needs. It's a competitive marketplace, so crafting a compelling profile and submitting strong proposals is vital for freelancers. For clients, providing clear and concise project briefs will help attract the right talent. Be sure to utilize Workana's resources and support features to maximize your experience on the platform. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting out, Workana provides the tools and infrastructure to support your remote work journey. Consider giving it a try and see how it can benefit your career or business. Remember to check out the link below for more information.